emotionally feel it. Describe this moment.
Thank you, guys. This is my dream. My dream come true. Since I'm now amateur and now I'm professional and now I'm champion. This is my dream. Thank you, Roshan. BBC, Showtime. Thank you.